Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing here of the unlocked Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G, the 2022 version of it here. So nice little view here, except for they have the screen facing you. As far as they don't have the back of it facing you so you can actually see the color. But anyway, got this from Target on sale for 300 bucks. Figured I'd give it a try. I'm still kind of looking for a new phone to replace my Samsung Note 8. Kind of fallen onto the 2020 iPhone SE at the moment. I just got that for super cheap. But that's definitely a different type of phone than this one is. So we'll come back to this in a moment. The stylus is coming out of there ready. There's nothing else in there. So you do actually get a charger with this, which is kind of rare. Samsung and Apple do not give you chargers anymore. Of course, you have a USB Type-C cord. You have your quick start, quick look guide there. You have our pin. Here we have your extractor there. I don't know why I said pin. So that's what we get. This does not seem to say what it is. Alright, it looks to be 10 watt. It is in crazy font. Tiny font. Looks to be 10 watt charger. So that is that. So that's decent. Go ahead here and look at the main course. Of course, I do like Motorola's colors here. You can see it's nice. You guys can't see it as good. My lighting isn't too great in here, but it's a nice color. It's a nice blue. This is actually a little bit different color than this is. So let's see what we got here, and the phone is turning itself on.
Hello, Moto.
Hello, Moto. Alright, so let's see. Well, I guess this is maybe where you put in the SIM card. You have your power button here, volume rocker here. Said SIM cards over there. Top here has a mic. The bottom here has a speaker. Actually has a headphone jack. Whoa, that is crazy. What modern phones these days have headphone jacks? USB Type-C, speaker. There's a little stylus, which I know is nothing like the Samsung's S Pen. This thing is pretty heavy. Nothing like the S Pen, but you do have a stylus, which is cool. Then you do have, I believe it's 50 megapixel cameras with flash. There's different cameras there. Decently thin phone. Let's do a quick setup here, best that we can. So insert your SIM card. We're going to skip that for now. Connect your Wi-Fi. Then we have privacy and software updates, help improve Motorola products, enhance device support, smart updates. I'm going to accept all of those. You don't have to. Alright, that'll do this getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Alright, then you can choose to copy apps and data if you want to. I'm going to do not. Don't copy. Next is sign into your Google account. Next is Google services, so use location, allow scanning. We'll actually turn that one off just because. Send usage and diagnostics data, and then install apps and updates. Then we'll hit accept. Next is we'll set up PIN if you want to. I usually do not. Then additional apps. So you can install them if you want to. I think all these Google ones will be installed no matter what. I am not going to do that, and hopefully we can delete this. I do not want TikTok or Moto Hub or shopping or entertainment or gaming folders. Don't need any of that. But apparently you have to have all this Google stuff, and you probably have to have all that too. We'll find out in a moment here. I only clicked the box though, hoping it will not put all that bloatware on here, but I'm sure it will. Then you can stay in touch with Motorola. Then we have either light or dark theme. I'm going to go with the dark myself. It's supposed to be a bit better for your eyes. Then you're all set, ready to start using the phone. Let's see how much stuff they put on here. This is a 6.8 inch phone. Let's go to the specs real fast according to their box. So 50 megapixel camera with OIS, 6.8 inch Full HD plus 120 hertz display, which is pretty cool. Let's see, it's the built-in stylus, octa-core processor, has of course 5G, 5,000 milliamp battery, which sounds actually pretty decent. Let's see. So again, this one is unlocked, and doesn't really take a whole bunch on here, but this does have 5G octa-core processor. We'll have to see how fast this is after I use it for a bit. Let's see all the apps we got here. So let's see. So of course you have Play Store, Gmail, Fit, Google Fit, Facebook, your camera, calendar, whole bunch of Google stuff. I don't know if we can delete any of this. Probably cannot delete like any of this either. Let's see. Anything else weird? Device help. Yeah, so you cannot delete that stuff. Facebook. Okay, so like that we can uninstall. So some of this we'll be able to uninstall. I think most of this we'll be just kind of stuck with. I don't know. Actually seems decently quick. Yeah, so you can uninstall that. So we're definitely going to be stuck with some stuff on here. Do more Moto. Moto Hub by Swish. But I'm not signed into Google at the moment. Which I will, of course, eventually here. Just want to see how good this is. First, let's go ahead and delete TikTok. Or not. I am stuck with TikTok. I do not like that, but okay. Let's just do a quick Google search here. I will actually just do Best Buy because it's a little bit harder for some devices to do, so it's a decent test. Or it's not the hardest. Not the hardest, but yeah, that's pretty good. My internet is decent. I mean, it's not crazy or anything, but it is a decent internet. Depending on where we are in a house, it can be up to 600 megabytes per second or so download. Up in my room where I am now, it's a lot less for some reason. But anyway, do Garmin watch. I just want to see how fast this is. It's not too bad. So do stay tuned to my channel. We'll do a couple more videos on this. I'll probably compare it to my Samsung Note 8 from 2017, as well as versus my 2020 iPhone SE, which is of course from 2020, which is actually a cheaper device, but also an incredibly fast device. So we'll see. And then too, maybe we'll do a review eventually here. Yeah, so 6.8 inch. This is a big device. It looks pretty nice. Again, 120 hertz refresh rate. It's a cool color. Now it's all dusty from being on here, but yeah. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Let's see, it's only at 32% charge, so thank you all for watching. As always, I really do appreciate you. Do stay tuned again for more videos to come. As always, I really do appreciate you watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.